Hi everybody, Derek here from Musical Journeys Through Cinema. Today I have with me this 10-pack of standard single-disc DVD case replacements. They are completely empty cases. They have the sleeve on the outside. It holds one disc. It has these two prongs right here to hold in the inserts. I have a bunch of DVDs that have worn out through the cases from being in the sunlight too long, so I bought these to replace that. And if you want to replace these with your old discs, you just pull out the slip with the cover on it, slip it into the sleeve, and put the disc inside. These cases are in pretty good quality. However, the spine may have been a little bit damaged or chipped off during shipment, but other than that, they're okay to go. I highly recommend these. They have been working great for me, and I'm glad to have these backups in case my other cases wear out. Single disc, empty cases, good quality.